You spend weeks processing millions of records. You meticulously handle missing values and tune your parameters, and finally train a machine learning model that hits a 99% accuracy rate in your local environment. But the second you push that code to a live production server, it completely breaks down. Your real-time predictions are entirely wrong, and the business starts bleeding money fast. The algorithm did not fail because the live data was too complex to understand. It failed because it secretly cheated on its exams during the training phase. This is the pre-processing trap, a hidden error baked in during data preparation that silently compromises artificial intelligence models before they go live. Look at how beginners usually prepare real-world datasets. You have an unorganized mix of continuous numerical inputs, like age, right alongside categorical text, like user roles. Usually developers try to isolate these branches manually.
Isolated functions handle every feature separately. Arrays are forced back together, requiring strict manual tracking. One wrong index shift and massive dimension mismatches happen instantly. This diagram illustrates data leakage. It happens when developers blindly scale the entire dataset before separating testing data. The overarching variance bleeds directly into the training model. It memorizes the answers, but reality shatters when genuinely unseen data arrives. Disorganized data preparation introduces a statistical error that corrupts the scientific timeline and the integrity of the model. To survive real-world deployment, you have to completely eliminate manual sorting. You need a specific architectural tool called the column transformer. Instead of a single frantic developer trying to manually chop, scale, and encode variables sequentially, the column transformer creates a highly automated, professional assembly line. This unified interface cleanly separates a raw data stream. Numerical data glides to a scaling station up top, while categorical text routes to an encoding station below. These parallel transformations process simultaneously, then outputs merge flawlessly together in one step. By letting the framework execute these rules in parallel, you drastically reduce bloated boilerplate code and permanently neutralize the risk of catastrophic dimension mismatches by completely removing human index tracking. Beginners often assume that every single piece of incoming data requires mathematical transformation during pre-processing. That assumption is highly dangerous. The column transformer uses a remainder pass-through shield, safely escorting untouched columns past complex rules. By preserving untransformed arrays, you retain architectural control. Everything concatenates cleanly into the final output without writing custom bypass functions. Most importantly, this tool permanently fixes the cheating problem. It separates the fitting process from the transforming process. Mathematical rules are learned exclusively from the training data, locked in memory, and applied strictly to unseen test data later. This strict, automated routing logic guarantees your testing data remains totally pure, restoring absolute honesty and reliability to your model's evaluation metrics. Real-world operational pressure demands precision. Think of a financial fraud system or e-commerce engine, where thousands of mixed transaction types arrive every single second. The unified interface processes these continuous numerical readings and categorical text fields instantly. It handles missing values smoothly, ensuring no bottleneck ever slows down the pipeline. Fragile notebook scripts full of manual indexing crash immediately under that kind of load. Industry leaders require resilient, scalable software engineering standards that withstand extreme operational pressure daily. Mastering this specific architectural tool is the definitive barrier separating junior developers hacking together scripts from senior enterprise architects. 3 core deployment rules must be locked in. First, manual data preparation is fragile and ensures disaster. Second, transforming your data before splitting it bends the rules of time. This creates silent data leakage and leads to inevitable system failure. Third, adopting unified, parallel transformers guarantees operational stability, secure data flows, and perfect reproducibility. The future of artificial intelligence relies on the absolute security and purity of its underlying data pipelines. By building clean architecture, you ensure your model succeeds in reality exactly as well